Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket. Yeah, no!
Welcome to True Patrol. On June 29th, 2022, officers responded to a reported stabbing in Saranac Lake, New York. What followed was a tense encounter with an armed man, officers trying to de-escalate, and a moment where everything changed in seconds. True Patrol brings you the actual body cam footage, unfiltered and uncut, to show the reality of police work under pressure. This video is shared for educational and public awareness purposes only. At True Patrol, we responsibly present real incidents to inform, not entertain. Viewer discretion is advised. Let's take a closer look at what really happened that day.
What's up?
He assaulted me. He trespassed on my property.
Okay, where's the knife?
I can't give you that.
Okay, I need you to take it out of your pocket and give it to me right now.
I can't do that.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
It's my property.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
I would be careful with it.
Yeah, no!
Shots fired, 0834. We're notifying state police.
Get up, everyone! I need the people back up! Back up! I need everyone to back up!
This is the guy he attacked before.
All right, you back. I'm going to give you a moment.
Aaron, you need to get the knife away from him so we can get him.
The officer attempted to speak with the man calmly, but the suspect suddenly attacked. In response, another officer fired to stop the threat.
Saranac Lake, Party 1, EMS, all students.
Back, okay. Okay, I need you to get the book bag out of my passenger side seat. The book bag out of the passenger side seat.
835.
Yeah, we just called for ambulance. You can give him another call.
Yes, please.
Call the bar or Swain. I got that.
I need somebody's shirt. Can somebody give me their shirt, please? Where did you hit him, Aaron? The chest?
Yeah, the check
What else do you need?
Sir. Unconscious, not breathing.
What do you need?
I need something for the pressure.
Can you open my book bag? Yes, it's picked up.
What do you need, ma'am?
Do you need me to hold the pressure while you look?
Yeah, can you hold it?
Yes, absolutely.
Hold the pressure as hard as you can.
Update, outpatient, non-conscious, not breathing.
Come on, man. Hang in there. Okay, hang in there.
How many times you hit him? 2 times to the chest.
Come on, man. Hang in there.
Just take a big breath.
Hang in there, man. Hang in there. EMS is on the way.
Quick, quick. Yeah. He's not conscious, not breathing.
He's breathing a little. He just took like 4 breaths.
They're not real breaths.
Let's just start doing some
I have
pressure.
the, you want to start CPR?
I'm gonna have you move your hand.
You already have it.
Volunteer firefighter if you need me to step in.
Oh, you're good. Just
This incident took place in New York, where officers responded to a reported stabbing. They encountered 33-year-old Joshua De Miguel Cavota, who refused to drop his knife and suddenly charged at an officer. A second officer responded with deadly force to stop the threat. Despite immediate first aid, Mr. Cavota was later pronounced dead at the hospital. A knife was recovered at the scene. Following a full investigation, including body cam footage, 911 recordings, and witness interviews, the New York State Attorney General's office concluded that the officers' actions were legally justified. No charges were filed. Now we ask you, what are your thoughts on how the officers handled this situation? Do you think there was anything that could have been done differently? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to True Patrol for more real incidents and law enforcement insight. Stay informed, stay aware. This is True Patrol.